Water wells. Wells have been an important way to get water for a long time. Some of the earliest wells were in China and Egypt. Early wells were dug by hand. In some cases today, wells are still dug by hand. The other common methods are drilling and driven wells. The method used is based on the geology, depth of the well, and available resources. This is a picture of a water well drilling rig. It is attached to the back of a truck, and when in use, the rig is vertical. The well casing is usually made from steel or concrete pipes. The casing is the wall of a well and keeps the well open, while not allowing other materials to get in. At the bottom of a well, a screen is put in place to keep out rocks and sand. Outside the screen is a gravel pack to prevent the screen from clogging and to hold back sand. Some wells are left open at the bottom when a screen is not needed. Pumping water from a well can be done by hand or with an electric pump. There are a variety of options based on the amount of water needed from the well and the location. A cone of depression is the drawdown of water surrounding a well. The water table surrounding the well is lower than the water table farther away. If the pumping rate of a well is greater than the wells nearby, the cone of depression can cause other wells to run dry. Water quality is important for wells used for drinking water, other household uses, and agriculture. Monitoring the water quality of an aquifer helps prevent contaminated water from being used. It also provides a record of how the water is changing. By analyzing the water chemistry in an aquifer, the treatment of water can be more precise and any health risks taken care of. Pathogens and chemical contaminants are the most common problems with water quality. Observation wells are used to monitor the height of the water table. They are also used to collect water samples for quality testing. Observation wells generally have a smaller diameter, and the spacing depends on what they are being used for. Water samples are collected based on legal requirements or a schedule designed to track a certain compound in the aquifer. Injection wells are used to put water and other fluids into the ground. In coastal areas where saltwater intrusion is occurring, an injection well can be used to add fresh water to the aquifer and push the salt water out. To keep wells in good condition, it is recommended that a yearly maintenance check is done by a certified professional. Some general things to keep a well in good condition are to check that the top of the casing is in good repair, keeping hazardous chemicals away from the well, and keeping a proper distance between the well and buildings or other storage areas. If the taste, smell, or appearance of the well water changes, a professional assessment is recommended to check for contaminants. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.